Images and videos, we see the two media forms every day. What does it feel when we are watching a blurry image or video? It's terrible, right? If it is an image, indeed we can use Photoshop to paint and retouch the blurry image. However, this takes up a lot of time and is not friendly to people who don't know about Photoshop at all. What if there is a tool that can turn low-resolution images to high-resolution images with one click? Isn't it perfect? Well, I am happy to tell you that AI tools can do that. Now let me introduce HitPaw AI to you to increase the image resolution. And please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so. I would really appreciate that. You can find HitPaw Photo Enhancer from hitpaw.com. The link is in the description. I have downloaded it on my PC. Launch it. We can then import a blurry image into the enhancer. Here are 3 AI models for different purposes. Select the one you need. Then click Preview. Wait for the HitPaw AI to analyze it. Then boom, it is completed. The image resolution has been increased a lot. It becomes very clear now. We can zoom in and out to compare the result. The process is quite easy. Only with one click, the HitPaw AI will do the rest for you automatically. Quite easy and convenient, isn't it? Alright, this is how to use HitPaw Photo Enhancer to increase resolution of images. I think you have got it. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. I will see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye.